Restock my mini fridge with me.
I have another one. We're hoping for no duplicates. Ready? 6. We got the hot dog magnet. Let's open. We don't have this one yet. Cookies and cream. Next one. Scared. Who wants the fruit tray? I've been pulling duplicates every single time. And I have like 62 of these more to collect. Long. I have this one too. Thing in the magnets and earrings. It's fine. Everything will be alright. I have this one too. This is probably the worst one I pulled. Okay, we only need one pizza left. It's not pepperoni. We're going to stock the fridge now. Okay, y'all. This was a sad restock day, but that's okay.